We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of QIOMALA portable propane heater, consists of the following features. Quiet portable outdoor heater. Our gas heater with a heating capacity of up to 6,500 BTU and advanced heating technology, it quickly and effectively provides warmth to the outdoor environment. Temperature adjustable propane heater. By rotating the knob, it allows you to easily adjust the temperature according to your needs, ranging from gentle warmth to higher heat levels, meeting a variety of comfort requirements. Safety protection. The outdoor heater equipped with safety mesh guards, a gas canister secure bracket, above all safety shut-off valve, tip-over safety switch ensuring safety during use. Allowing you to focus on enjoying the outdoor experience without worries. Durable construction. Featuring an all-aluminum reflector design, it withstands the rigors of various outdoor environments. It delivers reliable performance in all weather conditions, whether rain or shine. The connecting hose to the gas cylinders is made of brass to prevent gas leaks, enhancing safety. Sold without tanks. This listing is sold with the heater and propane tank holder only and without propane cylinders and tanks. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.